Samsung phone users, do you know that your phone can actually read out the text you are typing on the phone simultaneously as you are typing it, and also announce the incoming text messages and calls at the same time in order to make the work on your phone very easy for you? Now follow me to show you how to activate this.
First of all, come to the phone settings and launch it and scroll down to accessibility. Click on it to have it enabled. Now come over to vision enhancement. Click on it as well and then scroll down to speak keyboard input allowed. Click on it. Here we have bunch of settings we need to turn on to improve the input and output of your keyboard experience. Now, but before we go to those settings, we need to toggle on the speak keyboard input allowed. Toggle it on this way. Now, the first thing you need to do is speak keyboard input allow shortcut. You can easily toggle it on to bring this very stuff here. Look at it. If you toggle it on, this icon will appear. If you toggle it off, it will disappear. Now let's just toggle it on for easy access. Now here we have what to read. You can toggle it on characters so that as you are typing, for instance, week, it will be spelling everything you are typing. If you take it to word, it will only be pronouncing the word you typed. Now if you take it to character and word, it will be spelling at the end, it will type it. Now let's head to our notes to experiment it. For instance, how
wish uld could x next week.
All right, this is how it sounds when you choose character and word. Now let's just take it to word. You will see the difference and then return to our keyboard.
How I wish I could have 1000 space followers.
Right, that is how it works when you choose to word. Now you can come over to this side and choose, that is under capital letters. You can toggle it on, that is when you don't want it to say anything. You can toggle it say capital when you choose capital letter. Under this place, change pitch, you can change how your voice, that voice will be sounding. Now you can choose to play sound while you are typing. Now you can come over to this place, because that time I was deleting some characters. It was reading out the letters that I was deleting. So this is where you can activate it. But if you don't want it to be sounding or mentioning or reading aloud the words you are deleting, you can toggle it off here. Now if you are having an incoming calls or messages, it will also be announcing it, but you have the option to mute the announcement or to allow it. Now if you value this one, don't forget to share for others to benefit. Subscribe for more tech tips like this, and see you in my next video. Thank you.